Okay, here we go. This is our setup. You can see the kids each have a backpack, a day pack. Turn around, Ziggy. Let me see your back. Ziggy's got his backpack. He's got the computer. He's got the green bag. I've got to carry the food. Since we're in country, we carry food and water. We don't throw it out. Here, film me. Turn it around. It's on. Don't touch the screen. This is the day pack. It's got water and stuff in it. And then here's my backpack. So this is it. This is all we travel with. And whenever we fly, whenever we have to go through an airport, this gets packed away. So no water bottles, and our food, we either give it away, throw it away, and when we pack our food bags away, because we want to be able to travel extremely efficiently and not have the airlines try to charge us for extra luggage. So we've learned that one backpack and one day pack, and that's it for us. All right, we'll see you guys on the way to the Louage.